All right, guys. So, what's up? Now we have to open our portable oxygen same time pump. We're gonna use it during our fishing. So, this. Look at it. Oh, beautiful. So induction pump. So this one same time you can use it for oxygen for our live bait. So this I'm gonna open it. So it's not really big. So we have the right here. And there is a manual here, and this one is the hose, which they say it's about around 2.4 meters, and the output pipe, this one is the stones, USB charger. You can charge it because this item is a built-in battery, so you can charge it in your power bank, computer, whatever. So this one is adapter for this hose, and the last one is the filter. So now going to assemble it. So the first thing is we're gonna look this switch for the light. Yeah, it's beautiful. Let's attract the light bit. See, and we try to put in the bucket. So like that. Yeah. So it's good. Look at that. To off all the light. Yeah, let's also attract like bait light for the bait. So, nice. Okay, and this one, the second one in the bottom, is the pump. So switch, and this one, the side, is the sensor. So once you switch on the sensor, so you can just use your hand to operate this item. Like, gonna try it. This one is a bit louder, but once it's in already have the water, so it's gonna be like this. So off, on, off. So when you try to use the sensor, so you're gonna long press and let the light on. So this one, the sensor, you can use it now. So put your hand here. Up and up. That's it. So once you off it, long press, and it's off. So the sensor now is not working. So that's okay. And this one is the charging port. You can try this one. Open it. This one, the cable, and you can try this one right here. So we got the plug here. Let's try. Now it's charging. So this red light one goes to the green lights. That it means that it's fully charged. Okay. Okay. And now you're gonna try to put this. This one. It's the pipe. Okay, so you can twist it anywhere. Okay. So okay guys, this one here is for the tripod. If you have tripod, so let's try to put it in. I got tripod here in my mobile, so let's try fit in. So it's a standard. Have a look. Yeah, it's gonna work. Okay. So it's working. Nice. So another thing, just have here the bracket, so you can put it in your bucket. So you can put somewhere, so that's gonna be stable. Okay guys, now we already know that's the light, and next we're going to assemble the pump, how the pumps work. So we have to open this hose and put this adapter here. Yeah. Then you can put here. Hold on, I need to put this properly so it's not gonna leak. Okay, it should be okay. And put here. Then into this one you can put the filter, because this one is the stone for the oxygen, but now we're gonna use it for pumping. So let's try this first. Let's see. Now we're going to put on the water. So we got water here on the side. Let's try. So there's water here in my bucket. Okay, let's try. Okay, it's gonna make mess. So now I'm gonna put this switch first for start. Nice. Yeah, look at that. It's water. About we're gonna use the sensor. So this one, the sensor is not activated yet, so we try to put the sensor on. Long press this switch, so you can see this is a green here, small one. Closer. It's not green, this is green one here. And this one for the light, this one the bottom is for the switch for the pump. So now I'm gonna long press this bottom one. Okay. So now, so this light's on, so it means the sensor is activate now. So let's try to put our hand closer. Okay. Oh, how cool is that? Put the hands here. Put the hands. So it's not continuous because this one only for washing your hand. Yeah. Beautiful. Okay. That's open. That's it. It's good. This pumping is working. Once you want to continue, just on this one. Off it. Go on this one. Once you off the sensor, that is long press. So only this manual operating. So on, off, on, off. It's beautiful. So now what we're gonna do? We're gonna throw it this bucket. So now we're gonna, so the, what you call this, the pumping is working properly. And now let's go to the last part, the oxygen we're gonna use for live bait. We have to I think swap this, put this hose to the top because this part is sucking and this one is down. So we gotta take off this pipe. Hose water there. And now what you're gonna do is this still have water inside, so let's put the water first there. Okay, not much. And now we're gonna put this up. It's going here to the output, and now these stones we're gonna put there to the end of the pipe. We have to change the filter because this one's for the pump. So we're gonna take it out and put these stones. So it's going to your live bait, and then this box, and now so this hose is here, and this side, and this one you have to put to your bucket. It's going to your live bait, and I'm thinking I'm gonna put the bucket on the top there. So okay guys, put the bucket on the top here. So we got 40 centimeter foldable bucket here. So I'm gonna put it inside the cover, and this stone gonna put to your live bait there. And this one is gonna use this clip from here, so we can pick up our tripod. So now guys, just put here on the side, wherever you want. I can put it here. So look. So now you can see here, you can put the light too. See light there. And guys, we're gonna start to on the oxygen. A bit louder. Inside there. Look at the light there. It's not bad. Yeah, this item is working. So that makes your light be long lasting. Look at that. Just put more water and sometimes young fish. Just like normal oxygen. So this is like that. Kita pergi dua. Put this one here. Set. Put this pin here. Bisa. One. So it's beautiful, guys. Nice product. Okay. So another thing to minimize the noise from this pump, guys, when you're using to live it in fishing, so just put in it tape here. You can plug it here, so it's not really loud. So have a look this one. So once you put into your live it using the oxygen, so just make sure you can put in a plug tape here. So have a look at that, you see. So still have a noise but not really loud. So it's a big difference when you're not putting the plug here. So, okay. I'm gonna use it during fishing, especially when you go in the evening, and the light is very useful. And yeah, but normally I'm gonna use the pump. It's nice, good guys. So it's nice item, guys, especially when you bring it during fishing. And for more details, just look to my description, and I will put some of them. So the other thing that I couldn't explain, so you just go there. Go down to my description, and you can read some details like the battery capacity and charging time or whatever. So you can go there and just about it. Thank you for